In this part, you are going to have the further story of Tricky's illness. I try to sound severe. Mr. Harriot, the veterinary doctor, he is saying that he tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. Means what was the mean of his? What did he want to say? He said that if she didn't cut his food right down, who? Mrs. Pumphrey, the mistress of Tricky. If she is not ready to cut his food right down and give him more exercise to Tricky, he is going to be really ill because of too much eating and lack of exercise and no physical activity. He is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart, he suggests him. Who? Mr. Harriot, Mrs. Pumphrey, that she had to harden her heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Means he suggested to keep Tricky on very strict diet. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Wrung means she rubbed her hands in one, take the other hand in. Wrung. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriot. And she said that she would. She was sure that he was right. But it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off. She set off there only, head down, along the road, as if determined, as she had determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Means she just said to herself that she had to do, she had to do, she had to do. But it is not certain that she would or not. He watched their progress with growing concern. He watched their progress, means both of Tricky and the mistress, with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Tricky, it was tottering. Tottering means it was very tough to bear that he was bearing that tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe. Tricky had a whole wardrobe. I told you in the earlier that Mrs. Pumphrey, she was very rich and she was giving plenty of riches to her dog, loving dog. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and the raincoat for the bad days. He struggled on. Who? Tricky, drooping in his harness. He thought it would be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. Then Mr. Harriot, veterinary doctor, he thought that it would not be long, means would not take a long time before he heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. And he went from there. And as he thought, the expected call, it came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Distraught means she was much disturbed. She was ready to weep any now. She was ready to weep. Tricky would eat nothing. She complained that Tricky, he is not eating anything. Refused even his favorite dishes. And besides, he had bouts of vomiting, means he had become ill. He spent all his time lying on a rug. Rug means the first means the thick cloth that we say the kaleen rug. Panting. Panting means that he is taking a long breath. Long and means the breath that is not properly taking. Didn't want to go for walks. Who didn't want to go for walks? Tricky. Means he had no capacity to stand, he had no interest in the surroundings, and he did not want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. He had made his plans in advance. Writer or doctor, veterinary doctor Mr. Harriot, he had made his plans in advance. The only was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. It was his plan, and it was the completion of his plan that he had to just take out Tricky anyhow from the house for a period. Period means for a few days. He suggested that he be hospitalized. Tricky should be hospitalized for about a fortnight. Fortnight means a period of 15 days to be kept under observation. Means he needs treatment in the surgery, and he should be kept under observation for fortnight means for 15 days, at least 15 days. But I took a firm line. But writer, he took a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and she was the only way. Fortnight to keep under observation. The poor lady almost swooned. Swoon means she had become faint. She was sure he would pine. Pine means she will become like sookh jana and die if she did not see her every day. Means if Tricky would not see mistress every day, then he would pine. But I took a firm line. But writer, he took a firm, determined line. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, he thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's bailing, I marched out to the car, carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. Then, little dog who came there, and it was carrying that wrapped blanket. The entire staff was roused. Entire staff means all the servants, maids. Rushed means they were running in and out, bringing the day bed, his night bed, favorite cushion, toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper means dinner bowl, realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff. But now they had realized that doctor's car, it was not ready to hold all the stuff. He started to drive away. Veterinary doctor, Mr. Harriot, he started to drive away. As he moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. He looked in the mirror before he turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears, means all the servants, they were in cry. Out on the road, he glanced down at the pathetic little animal. Pathetic means dayaniya, pitiful, gasping on the seat by my side. By his side, he was gasping, means he was lying down. He patted the head, and Tricky made a brave effort to beg his tail. Means he had to make a brave effort. He had to try many times to beg his tail. Means he had no energy. Poor old lad. Lad means boy. I said, writer said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. Cure means treatment for you. So writer, he took him, means Tricky, to his surgery to give the right treatment to him. And what treatment he would get, now we will read in the next video. Here you understand the question. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? You are going to have the answer in next video. How does he treat the dog? Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog reverse is a trump of surgery?